Hello students. So chapter number 10 of class 8 menstruation is going on, and in which we have already discussed about the rectilinear figure, parallelograms and trapezium, the parameter and area of trapezium. Now in today's discussion we will discuss about one 3D shapes, cube and cuboid. So first of all, try to know what is cuboid. So cuboid is a solid which is having 6 faces, 12 edges and 8 vertices. So what is cuboid? A rectangular cuboid has a rectangular faces. So see this figure. This shape is the example of cuboid. A, B, C, D, E, F, G. These are the vertices of a cuboid, and these are the faces. One is top, this is base, and this is, it means the side, and this is the 4 sides are there, top and base are there. So brick is the example of a cuboid, your book is the example of a cuboid, and if you are sitting in a rectangular room, that also is the example of a cuboid. So I hope you have matchbooks also, the example of a cuboid. So how many faces are there? 6 faces. So the definition of a cuboid, a solid. This is solid shape, not a 2D shape. This is 3 dimensions shape. So solid shape, a solid which is having 6 faces, 8 vertices, and 12 edges. Is called cuboid. It's called cuboid. If you have to find total surface area of cuboid, it means area of all the faces. How many faces are there? 6, and all the faces are rectangular. So area of rectangle, you already know, length multiply breadth. So total surface area of cuboid. So length multiply breadth, top also length multiply breadth. This face, this is the breadth, this is the height. Actually length and breadth. Breadth is height, length, and height is breadth. So breadth multiply height, and that also breadth multiply height plus length breadth height, length multiply by height plus length multiply by height. Any doubt, any confusion? Okay. Now length multiply breadth 2 times. So it means 2 LB 2 BH plus 2 LH. So you can take 2 commons. So 2 is common. Common means which can divide each term. So LB plus BH plus LH. So this is the formula for finding the total surface area of a cuboid. Have you understood? So the formula for finding the total surface area of a cuboid is 2 into LB plus BH plus LH. L stands for length, B stands for breadth, and S stands for height. Now if you have to find lateral surface area, lateral means excepting top and base. Top and base area will be not included. So lateral surface area of a cuboid, lateral surface area of a cuboid. So length and breadth, top and base, it means this portion is neglected, so only this portion is left. So 2 into L plus B multiplied by H. So this is the total surface area of a cuboid, or you can use the same formula for finding the area of a four walls and lateral surface area of cuboid, same thing, because top, roof and the floor are not included. It means area of four walls. So this is the formula for finding the total lateral surface area of a cuboid. Now what is the difference between cube and cuboid? What is the difference between cube and cuboid? So rectangle, cuboid has all the rectangular face and cube has all the faces square. It means all the faces of a square are of a cube are square. So total surface area for cube, same formula. Only one difference is there, because the faces of the cube are square and the faces of a rectangle are faces of cuboid are rectangular. Now this is cube because all the faces of a cube are square. So this is the example of a cube. Now total surface area of cube. Total surface area of a cube, 6 into side square. 6 into side square. You can derive yourself, because length, breadth both are equal. Same for cuboid. In that one length and breadth were different. That's why LB we have taken. Now length and breadth are equal. It means A into A. So A into A square plus A square plus A square 3 times, and 3 multiplied by 2, it means 6 into side square. So lateral surface area of a cuboid, lateral surface area of a cube, 4 into side square. 4 into side square. This is the formula for finding the lateral surface area of a cuboid. Now we have to find the capacity of a cuboid. It means volume of cuboid. Volume of cuboid length multiply breadth multiply by height. Length multiply breadth multiply by height. So this is the volume of a cuboid. Now volume of a cube is side cube. Volume of a cube, side cube. Now if we have to find length of the diagonal of a cuboid, length of the diagonal of a cuboid, so it will be equal to root L square plus B square plus H square. So if any question related to the diagonal, so you can use this formula, root L square plus B square plus H square. And length of the diagonal of a cube, length of the diagonal of a cube, sides, length of the diagonal of a cube, root, it means L square 3 times, 3A square. Square of A we cut, so it will be root 3 into a. A means side. So this is the formula for finding the length of the diagonal of a cube. So these are the main points related to the cuboid and cube. Now we will solve some problems related to this solid cube and cuboid. Exercise 10.2. The edge of the cube is 24 centimeter. How many smaller cubes, each of side 8 centimeter, can be formed from this larger cube? So students, try to understand. From the larger we have to cut a smaller cube. So the volume of the larger will be the volume of the smaller cubes, which one we have to cut off from this cube. It means volume of the larger will be the volume of the smaller. How many smaller cubes are there? So total volume will be equal to the larger. So side of larger cube, side of larger cube is 24 centimeter. Side of larger cube 24 centimeter. Side of smaller cube, side of smaller cube is 8 centimeter, is equal to 8 centimeter. Now number of cubes, volume of larger cube, volume of larger cube upon volume of smaller cube. Volume of larger 24 multiplied by 24 multiplied by 24, because volume of cube is side cube, and volume of smaller 8 multiplied by 8 multiplied by 8. It means a cube. A is 24, here also a cube, a is 8. So 8 3s are 24, 8 3s are 24, 8 3s are 24. 3 3s are 9, 3s are 27. 27. So number of smaller cubes 27. Number of smaller cube 27. Have you understood? Okay. Now 3 cubes each of side 3 centimeter are joined together side by side. 3 cubes are joined. So this is the side of a cube. Only one face I will take for your understanding. This is 3 centimeter. This is the second 3 centimeter, and this is the third 3 centimeter. So 3 cubes are joined. So the resulting solid will be cuboid, because side of cube is 3 centimeter. Now we will arrange 3 cubes joining to each other. It means we will get a cuboid. So length of the resulting cuboid, length of the resulting cuboid, 3 plus 3, 6 plus 3, 9 centimeter. 9 centimeter. Breadth of resulting cuboid, breadth of resulting cuboid 3 centimeter. Height of resulting cuboid 3 centimeter. 3 centimeter. So what we have to find? the surface area of cuboid, it means total surface area. So total surface area of cuboid, total surface area of cuboid, 2 into LB plus BS plus LS. So this is the formula for finding the total surface area of a cuboid. So 2 into, what is length? Length is 9, breadth is 3. Breadth is 3, height is 3. Length is 9, height is 3. So according to rule, first solve the bracket. 2, 9 multiplied by 3, 27. 3 multiplied by 3, 9. 9 multiplied by 3, 27. So add them. 2 into 27 plus 27 plus 9, 54 plus 9 will be 63. 63 multiplied by 2, 126. Area always will calculate in square unit. So it will be 126 square centimeter. So this is the total surface area of the resulting cuboid. So in this question, I think question number 9 I am taking. Question number 9. A cuboid has the dimension as shown in the following diagram. Length is 2 meter, breadth is 1 meter and height is 1 meter. Length of cuboid. Length of cuboid 2 meter. Breadth of cuboid is 1 meter. Height of cuboid 1 meter. So first we have to find volume. Volume of cuboid. Length multiply breadth multiply height. So it will be equal to 2 multiplied by 1 multiplied by 1. So it will be 2 meter cube. 2 meter cube. Second, total surface area of cuboid. Total surface area of cuboid 2 into LB plus BS plus LS. 2, what is length? 2, what is breadth? 1. 1 multiplied by 1, length is 2 and height is 1. So 2 into 2 plus 1 plus 2. So 2 plus 1, 3, 3 and 2, 5. So 2 multiplied by 5. So it will be 10 square meter. So this is the total surface area of a cuboid. Now next is area of 4 walls. Area of 4 walls. Area of 4 walls 2 into length plus breadth multiplied by height. So 2 into, what is length? Length is 2, breadth is 1 and height is 1. So 2 plus 1, 3. 2 multiplied by 3 by 1. So 6 square meter. So this is the total surface area of 4 walls. So the questions related to cube and cuboid, I tried to solve. If you have any doubt, any confusion, so you can ask. Otherwise, first learn the main points, it means formula, and then read the statement properly. I hope you will be able to solve all the questions. Thank you. Thank you.